Today we're going to talk about square roots. Squares of a number and square roots of a number are opposites, like adding and subtracting, multiplying and dividing. If I square a number, that actually means like 3 squared. That would be 3 times 3, which is 9. That's squaring a number. That's what that would be. That would be called squaring. Now, if I take the square root of a number like 9, I am actually looking for what 2 factors can be multiplied together by itself to get 9, and one of those would be the answer. That would be the square root. The reason that this number came about was because if you looked at truly a square, they have a length and a width of 3. The area inside would be 9. So if you square 3, you get 9. If you take the square root of 9, you get 3. They are inverse or opposite operations. Now the only other thing, and unfortunately for us here in Virginia, is that we have to memorize all of the square roots of all the perfect squares to 400. That means that I need to know everything from the square root of 1, which is 1, because 1 times 1 is 1, to the square root of 400, which would be 20. We'll talk about ways to look at this because, you've got numbers that would end up being like the square root of 169, and there's only so many numbers that can multiply together to get you a 9 on the end. I'm hoping that you're thinking of 3. Now 3 times 3 is 9. So it might be that it's 13, again, the ending number. A good check would be to at least start that process of multiplication. You know how we do this. And then you get 169. Oh, good. Well, the square root of 169 is 13. So there's ways to work around memorizing them all by using some mathematical common sense.